Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Garmin Forerunner 970 smartwatch. Here on the back side you can see the part number, and it's the carbon gray DLC titanium with black case and black whitestone band. This one was released in May 2025. The price of the watch is currently $750 on the Garmin webpage, and it's only available in the 47mm case size. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. The box is very similar than the other Garmin models. For example, the Fenix models come in the similar box, but for some reason this one doesn't have the seal like the other ones. It just opens up here like this. So let's get the watch out of the box. I would expect it to have the charging cable here on the other side. It comes with the USB-C connector, and the other end is for the watch, and it's the same one as we are used to in previous models. And here we have the manual. The watch comes with a band, and it has one of these here on the watch, and there's an extra one here in the box. And let's remove the sticker from the display. Physically, the watch is a lot smaller in weight and also a lot thinner than the Fenix 8 one. This is the Fenix 8 Pro here on the left. The display size is the same. Both of the displays are 1.4 inches, but the watch weighs only 56 grams compared to 90 grams on the Fenix 8 Pro. But you do lose quite a lot of battery compared to the Fenix 8. The battery life is up to 15 days. Of course, that's also plenty. The Fenix 8 has up to 27 days of battery life. And the band is very similar to what we have seen previously on the Garmin watches. The waterproof rating on this one is 5 ATM, so that's 50 meters compared to the 100 meters on the Fenix 8. The AMOLED display on the watch looks really good. It has a touch screen, so as we are used to on the Garmin AMOLED watches, and it has the 5 buttons which we are used to on the Forerunner and the Fenix lineup watches. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to see a more in-depth comparison to the Fenix 8, check the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching.